What's happening, everybody? I'm Charles Maring. Welcome to the Art Vlog. Today we're going to take you behind the scenes of a portrait session captured on the Lumix S1. It's a beautiful mother-daughter portrait session down on the beach in Madison, Connecticut. Can't wait to share a little bit of that. I also slap a massive amount of acrylic to start the base of a new giant painting that I'm working on. And I want to talk a little bit about success in the arts along the way as well. Some of the things that we had to learn the hard way and overcome, as well as how creating a lifestyle out of your creativity is one of the most important things that you can do in your work to bring happiness to your life. A little success, a little art, a little photography. Let's roll. We are actually just now leaving a photo session from the beach here in New England. Such a beautiful day today.
Oh, I mean, it was a perfect afternoon for a photo shoot like this, and it was so pretty because it was a mother and a daughter together, and they dressed the part so perfectly well. What I loved about it was kind of timeless. They wore white dresses, and it kind of had like that classic New England kind of feel to it. Yeah, like really
almost period, you know?
Yeah, but it was totally timeless.
Yeah.
You know, it had that like elegant New England perfect vibe. So not only are they like very feminine in photographs, but you can tell that they had a really great time together.
Welcome to the art studio. I am tired today. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't sleep, so I just said, might as well get up and do some work. Got a blank canvas though, excited about this, a new piece that's gonna come together in the collection. This morning, I'm just gonna cover it in acrylic, let it dry so we can start the creative process of all of this. And finding self-motivation is one of the challenges we really face as artists. And, there's no financial return on this for years. One of our goals is to create not just photographs, not just paintings, but to create a legacy, to create work that lives beyond us and grows in value beyond our lifetime as well. So it's not work done in vain. It's done for our enjoyment today and our own families, but also for future generations to appreciate. I still have to get up and find a way to keep moving, keep going, keep creating. So it has to be about personal growth. And so that's where I'm at with this. It is a hot day today. It's gonna be in the 90s. It has been for the past couple of days. So it is quite warm in here as well. And so it's the motivation not only to do the work, but to do it in the heat. There's no doubt we've created a beautiful artistic lifestyle for ourselves here at home. For those that are trying to make a go of it in the arts, I highly suggest you focus on creating a lifestyle out of your dream, out of your creativity, as opposed to just going out and working as hard as humanly possible. And I say that because you're gonna need to enjoy this process for a lifetime and reap the rewards over a long period of time. And that's why there's this incredible need and importance to set long-term goals in your work. I've talked about this a lot. So what you call living the Hound Life right here. Hound Life. And this is an investment of ours, an investment not only in our own life experience, but also an investment in the experience that our clients have when they come to visit us. And this is our little family. We have 2 dogs. This is Aya. She's a new member. We just rescued her this week. And I tell you, it's been so beautiful to have more life in the house this week. And so we love our dogs, and this is just an amazing, blessed life that we live. I know a lot of people probably see the lifestyle that we have, the big home, the dogs, the cars, all that's going on. But keep in mind, that's 25 years in the making. And one thing that we learned along the way to make this dream a possibility was learning things the hard way. Meaning, at one time, we had a very small apartment/condo that we lived in. And we had a big storefront studio, and we put a lot of money into that storefront studio. The problem with that mindset is that you're paying rent to a landlord of an astronomical amount to have that studio, on top of trying to afford your life, your health insurance, your cars, and so on and so forth. And once we kind of realized that, we started realizing we needed to have a long-term goal. We needed to start saving for our dream home where we could work from in order for us to have the benefits of being an artist. And doing so has allowed us to scrap the entire idea of paying a huge rent every month and put all of that into a long-term investment, that being the home that we live in. And it also allows us to have some specific write-offs where we can write off the art studio and photography part of the studio, some of the landscaping as well, some of the furnishings as well, because we are using those every day in our YouTube channel for props during our photography sessions and the space in general, working in them all the time. So my suggestion is, if you're looking at storefront studios, if you're thinking you need that kind of thing, certainly that's fine, but also think about the long-term investment of it. Instead of paying rent, you could be paying on a mortgage, having a long-term investment. And I'm telling you, it's made a world of difference in our ability to have a lifestyle in our work and really enjoy the process long-term. Our channel focuses on creativity, living the dream, and a positive outlook. Subscribe and join us. Go behind the scenes via our vlog, but also learn from us via tech talks, tutorials, and reviews from the perspective of two full-time artists at work.